Discover the most frequently used action verbs in everyday English. Whether you're learning the language or just want to enhance your vocabulary, this video covers essential verbs you can use to express actions clearly and effectively. Let's start. Ride is a verb that means to travel on or in a vehicle or animal. I love to ride my bike to the park on sunny days. Sit down is a phrasal verb that means to take a seat or to lower oneself into a seated position. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable while I prepare some tea for us. Stand up is a phrasal verb that means to rise from a seated or lying position and assume a standing position. I asked the audience to stand up and give a round of applause to our guest speaker. Fight is a verb that means to engage in physical or verbal conflict with someone. The two boxers will fight for the championship title next month. Laugh is a verb that means to express amusement or pleasure by making sounds with one's mouth and throat. The comedian's jokes made the audience laugh so hard that some of them had tears in their eyes. Read is a verb that means to look at and comprehend the meaning of written or printed matter by interpreting the characters or symbols. I like to read books in my free time, especially mystery novels. Play is a verb that means to engage in an activity for enjoyment or recreation. My friends and I like to play board games on weekends when we have free time. Listen is a verb that means to give one's attention to a sound or speech. I always listen to music when I'm doing my homework because it helps me concentrate better. Cry is a verb that means to shed tears, typically as an expression of distress, pain, or sorrow. When she heard the news of her grandmother's passing, she couldn't help but cry uncontrollably. Think is a verb that means to have a conscious mind and use it to consider ideas and information. I need some time to think about whether I should accept the job offer or not. Sing is a verb that means to produce musical sounds with the voice. She loves to sing in the shower every morning before getting ready for work. Dance is a verb that means to move rhythmically to music, typically following a set sequence of steps. At the wedding reception, everyone got up to dance when the DJ played their favorite song. Turn on is a phrasal verb that means to activate or start a device or machine. Can you please turn on the air conditioner? It's getting too hot in here. Turn off is a phrasal verb that means to deactivate or stop a device or machine. Before leaving the house, make sure to turn off all the lights and appliances to save energy. Win is a verb that means to be successful or victorious in a competition or battle. She was thrilled to win the first prize in the science fair for her innovative project. Fly is a verb that means to travel through the air using wings or an aircraft. The birds fly south for the winter to escape the cold weather and find food. Cut is a verb that means to make an opening, incision, or wound in something with a sharp-edged tool or object. She accidentally cut her finger while chopping vegetables for dinner. Throw away is a phrasal verb that means to dispose of something that is no longer useful or needed. I need to throw away these old magazines to make space for the new ones. Sleep is a verb that means to rest with eyes closed and the body in a state of reduced consciousness. I need to sleep for at least 8 hours every night to feel rested and energized the next day. Close is a verb that means to shut or bring to an end. Please close the door when you leave the room so that the cat doesn't escape. Open is a verb that means to make or become unlocked, unfastened, or unpacked. Can you please open the window? It's getting stuffy in here. Write is a verb that means to mark letters or words on a surface, typically paper, with a pen, pencil, or similar implement. I like to write in my journal every night before going to bed to reflect on my day and plan for the next. Give is a verb that means to transfer possession of something to someone else as a gift or payment. I want to give my mom a bouquet of flowers for her birthday to show her how much I appreciate her. Jump is a verb that means to push oneself off the ground or other surface using one's legs and feet. The athlete had to jump over several hurdles to complete the race. Eat is a verb that means to put food into one's mouth and chew and swallow it. I like to eat breakfast every morning too. Fuel my body for the day ahead. Drink is a verb that means to take liquid into the mouth and swallow it. I always make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Cook is a verb that means to prepare food for eating by applying heat. She likes to cook dinner for her family every night and experiment with new recipes. Wash is a verb that means to clean something with water or other liquid. I need to wash my clothes before my trip so that I have clean clothes to wear. Wait is a verb that means to stay in one place until a particular time or event occurs. I'll have to wait for the bus to arrive before I can go to work. Climb is a verb that means to ascend or move upward, especially by using one's hands and feet. The hikers had to climb a steep mountain to reach the summit and enjoy the breathtaking view. Talk is a verb that means to communicate or exchange ideas or information by speaking. I like to talk to my friends on the phone every week to catch up on their lives and share my own news. Crawl is a verb that means to move forward on hands and knees or by dragging the body close to the ground. The baby had just learned to crawl and was exploring the house with curiosity. Dream is a verb that means to experience a series of thoughts, images, and sensations during sleep. Last night, I had a strange and vivid dream about flying in the sky like a bird. Dig is a verb that means to break up, move, or remove earth, sand, or another material using a tool or one's hands. The dog likes to dig holes in the backyard when he's bored or looking for something to play with. Clap is a verb that means to strike one's hands together repeatedly to applaud or express approval. The audience started to clap when the singer finished her performance and left the stage. Knit is a verb that means to make fabric or clothing by interlocking loops of yarn or thread using knitting needles or a machine. She likes to knit scarves and hats for her family and friends as Christmas gifts. Sew is a verb that means to join or attach something by making stitches with a needle and thread. She had to sew a button back onto her shirt after it fell off while she was at work. Smell is a verb that means to perceive or detect the odors or scents of something. I could smell the delicious aroma of freshly baked bread coming from the bakery down the street. Kiss is a verb that means to touch or press one's lips against someone or something as a sign of love, affection, or greeting. The couple decided to kiss under the moonlight on their first date. Hug is a verb that means To hold someone tightly in one's arms as a sign of love, affection, or comfort, she felt much better after her friend gave her a warm and comforting hug. Snore is a verb that means to breathe with a harsh or hoarse noise while sleeping. My dad snores so loudly that sometimes I have trouble sleeping in the same room as him. Bow is a verb that means to bend the head or upper part of the body as a sign of respect, greeting, or acknowledgement. The actor took a bow after the audience gave him a standing ovation for his performance. Paint is a verb that means to apply color or pigment to a surface using a brush, roller, or spray. She likes to paint landscapes and seascapes in her free time as a hobby. Dive is a verb that means to plunge into water head first or with a sudden movement. The swimmer had to dive into the pool and swim as fast as possible to win the race. Ski is a verb that means to move over snow or ice using skis. She likes to ski in the mountains every winter and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Buy is a verb that means to obtain something in exchange for payment. She decided to buy a new dress for the party to look her best and feel confident. Shake is a verb that means to move quickly and repeatedly back and forth or up and down. The dog likes to shake his head after taking a bath to dry his fur and get rid of excess water. Stack is a verb that means to arrange a set of objects one on top of the other. He had to stack the books neatly on the shelf to make space for the new ones. Thanks for your time.